Very good morning, children. Today I am going to explain you the page number 21 of our textbook, the worksheet 1 part. Okay. So hope you complete all of your three lessons along with your CW. So let us see the reading session. Read the passage carefully and answer the questions. So they have asked us to read the passage and to answer the questions that were related to this passage. The answers for these questions we found in this passage only. So we have to read this passage first and you have to listen the passage while I am explaining you. Then only you can able to answer all these questions easily. Okay. So now I will start reading. Saloni has to go to school after the vacations. So when your corona holidays is off, then you have to come to school, right? In the same way, Saloni has to go to school once her vacation is done. So she is very happy. See how happy she is. She wanted to go to school. That means she is not like you, right? So see. She will be going to class 2 now. So which class she is going to be? Second standard. Saloni looks for her uniform in the cupboard. She is very excited to go to school and she is searching for the uniform in her cupboard. She take it out and tries it on. It does not fit her now. She is very upset and starts crying. So she took the uniform from the cupboard and she tries to wear it, but it doesn't fit her. Why? So she was upset and she starts crying. Her mother says, Saloni, don't cry. This means you have grown. We will buy you a new one. So what does Saloni's mother say to her? Don't cry. This means you have grown. So when you went to the second standard, you were grown, right? You came from first standard. Now you grown up and you came to the class 2. So her mother told her she will buy a new one for Saloni. So Saloni and her mother go to the market and buy a new uniform. Mother buys her a new pair of shoes too. Saloni is very happy. So this is the story. So her mother takes Saloni to the market and she bought a new uniform along with a pair of shoes too. So the Saloni became very happy. Why? Because she got the new uniform and Saloni is very happy. So see, read the sentences, tick if it is true and cross if it is false. So they have asked us to read the sentences and if it is true we have to tick it and if it is false, that means not correct, then we have to cross it. Okay, so let us see the first one. Saloni will be going to class 2. Is it right or wrong? Yes, she is going to the class 2. Saloni's uniform does not fit her. Does it fit her? No, right? So this is also right statement. Saloni had grown. Yeah, this is also right statement. Saloni's mother bought her new pair of socks. What she bought? New pair of shoes or socks? New pair of shoes. So it is a wrong sentence. Okay, let us see. So next section is discuss. Saloni is very happy to go to a new class after her vacation. How do you feel when you get ready to go to a new class? Discuss it in the class. So Saloni is very happy because she is going to class 2. So how you feel when the holidays were done, you have to come to the school, right? So how you feel about that? You have to write a few words here. Okay, let us see our next section. So see, our next section is vocabulary part. Choose the correct opposite of underlined words from the brackets to complete the sentence. So, in every sentence there are some underlined words. So, we have to find the opposite for these underlined words from the words in the red color. Okay. So, let us see. Saloni is happy to go to school, but her friend Ritika is. So, what is the opposite of happy, sad, or glad? The opposite of happy is sad. So, we have to write sad here. Okay. The boy is crying. So, the another meaning of happy is glad. So, sad can be the opposite word. The boy is crying, but the girl is dash. What is the meaning of weeping? Weeping means crying. What is the meaning of laughing? Laughing means smiling. So, what is the opposite of crying? Laughing. So, the boy is crying, but the girl is laughing. The shopkeeper is selling vegetables and the lady is eating or buying. What is the opposite of selling? The opposite of selling is buying. So the lady is buying the vegetables. Okay, let us see the next one. My shoes are new, but my socks are. What is the opposite of new? Old or soft? So what is the opposite of new? Old. So the opposite of new is old. My mother is going for a walk and my friends are dash home. Coming. So what is the opposite of going? Coming. Okay. Coming home. So in this way you have to fill the answers. Okay. This is all our opposites. Okay. Let us see our next section. Our next section is writing part. So our writing part is look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks with the correct word. We have to fill the blanks with the correct word. So see, Shalini is wearing a, what she wore? She wore a frock. So what is the spelling of frock? F-R-O-C-K. Shalini is wearing a frock. Raja likes to take his, what is it? It is a dog. What is the spelling of dog? D-O-C, dog. His dog to the park. The dash has soft fur. What it is? It is a rabbit. The rabbit has a soft fur. Put the dash on the table. What is it is? What is this? It is a hat. You have to write the names of pictures in the blanks. Okay. So see, the children are playing. What are they playing? They are playing football. Okay. So in this way you have to write the or fill the blanks. Okay. Let us see our next section. We have already done this game, right? Work in group of 5. Play a game of name, place, animal and thing. You have already know how to play this game. For example, if you take a letter A, you have to write a name that start with A. For example, Amruta. And you have to write the name of a place as starting letter A. You have to write everything as with a starting letter of A. What could be the place that starts with A? America. What could be the animal? An ant. So what could be the thing? What could be the thing? You can, yes, an aeroplane. So in this way you can take a letter and you have to play this game, name, place, animal and thing. You have to fill all this and you have to send the pictures of it. So in this way you have to complete your worksheet along with the lesson 1, 2, 3 that I have already done for you. So you have to complete the textbook part till the page number 23.